Wang, Ryu to Wang, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello, I'm Ray, and we are the pharmaceutical factory from China, and we have some problem when logging the Tatmeen B2B service.
Okay.
Yeah, now
So,
we have already, uh-huh,
yeah, go ahead with your question.
yeah, uh, now we are already registered in the Tatmeen system. But when we log in the B2B service, we cannot uh, log in. So
Okay.
basically,
So what exactly you are facing the problem while logging in? Are you seeing
yeah.
any error over there?
Let me check. We do not see any error from the interface.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But you are saying you are not able to log in, right? So you need to tell
Yeah.
me what exactly the difficulty you are experiencing.
Um.
So you are the developer portal link is loading properly. Are you able to see the
Yeah.
username and password screen?
Mm,
Okay, Rui, like
uh.
let me suggest you something. Please drop
Mm,
an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae with the B2B user email ID and also the link which you are trying to access. Okay, if any
okay.
snapshot is applicable, share that snapshot also in this email, and from there we can interact with you and then see what exactly the problem is.
Okay. Actually, I want to send the website address on the chat room, but I cannot send the message.
Yeah, here in the chat is disabled. You cannot send any
Mm-hmm.
messages.
Yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
can see that.
so developer portal, there are two links. I'm not sure which link you're trying to access. Okay, so if you are trying to access the production, the link will be Tatmeen API hub.mohap.gov.ae. Okay, so do one thing, drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae with the B2B user email ID and also the link you are trying to access. And if any snapshot is applicable, then please share the snapshot as well. And from there, we will connect with you.
Okay. Can I check the email address
Onboarding
at tatmin
at tatmeen.ae.
dot ua?
Okay.
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 Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
And
Yeah.
yeah, we also have another question is that how can we get the account of test environment?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can put this clarification in the same ticket. To get the account in the test environment, you should have a GLN first. Okay, once you have the GLN, then we can share you the registration link. And using the registration link, you can complete the registration. You can complete the Tatmeen staging registration. If you do not have the GLN at all, then you will have to reach out to the GS1 team. So
Yeah,
you can highlight these two points in the same email, and we will share you all the required details.
yeah, actually we have the GLN already.
You have the GLN, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So please share the GLN number in the same ticket. If you are registered, then you can log in with the latest password. If you are not registered, then we will release the registration link for you from the staging.
Actually, we have another colleague at this meeting. Can she share the screen that we can resolve the problem right now?
No, right now this workshop session is a question and answer session
Mm-hmm.
where we answer to the questions of the participants in this call. Okay, so if you need a
Mm-hmm.
dedicated call, something like that, we should have a ticket for it. So that is the reason why I'm requesting you put all your questions in a single email and then drop to
Mm-hmm.
onboarding at tatmeen.ae. So
Mm-hmm.
someone from our team, we will share you the required feedback. And in after receiving that, if you still have a questions, then we can connect in a call, in a separate call. So this workshop call is for the
Mm-hmm.
question and answer session only.
Okay, understood. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Yeah. Thank you
Mm-hmm.
so much.
Mm-hmm. Have a nice day.
Thanks. If any participant is having any questions, kindly raise your hand. I will allow you the mic, and from there we can take up your questions, please. Nidia, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Good morning, Mr. Bharadwaj.
Good morning.
We have started the Tatmeen integration, but we are in the initial stage, which is the JWT token authentication. So
Hmm.
we are providing software to clinics and hospitals.
Okay.
Uh, the thing is, when we went through the document that was provided by Tatmeen, we could see APCIS message submission API and EPCIS header structure. So this EPCIS is actually required for all the vendors, or can you tell me why EPCIS should be used?
Okay, see, these EPCS XMLs are the SOAP XMLs. I mean to say the SOAP APIs. Okay, and these APIs are available on the Postman collections. Since you are performing the integration activities, the active B2B user is eligible to perform the integration activities. So in order to integrate your system with the main system, you will have to send request using the EPCIS XML files only. So the EPCIS related information is being documented in the technical guides. Okay. So
Okay.
this is how the SOAP the SOAP API transactions happens between your system and then the main system.
So you mean to say that whatever request is being sent from our side, the EPCIS header structure is required. Am
Yes.
I correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can download the latest available Tatmeen APIs from Postman collections from our website tatmeen.ae.
Tatmeen.ae.
Yeah,
Okay.
tatmeen.ae. You can go to onboarding journey, and from there technical guides. Tab name is technical guides, and in technical guides there is a Postman collection, and you can download that code and you can import that code in the Postman setup.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right.
And another doubt I have is, as per clinics, I don't think they'll be requiring the shipping. They'll require the receiving event API since they receive goods. So the receiving event API also needs the EPCIS header structure. Then
Yes. Yes.
packaging is not required, unpacking, damaging, all that are not required. But there is Tatmeen dispenser API where pharmacies and clinics dispense medicines, medicines or any other products to the patients. So
Hmm.
in that case, there are three different categories that you have mentioned. That is SGTIN, then uh, one is SS.
SSCC.
Yeah. So, as per our understanding, SGTIN is the only one that we require, right?
See the difference between the SGTIN, SGTIN, and SSCC. SGTIN is an individual item from Tatmeen perspective, and SSCC is like a main palette, which means that uh, SGTN is an individual medicine, individual unit of medicine, a single strip. Okay,
Okay.
and SSCC is like this single strip are packed in a main box, and that main box
Mm.
can be called as an SSCC in Tatmin perspective. So how you want to perform the dispensation is based on your business requirement. If you have an individual item to dispense, then user can perform the dispensation through dispensation SGT. And if you
Okay.
want to dispense and the entire main pallet, I mean the entire box,
Okay.
then the user can perform through the dispensation SSCC.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Understood. And one more thing is if the if we are dispensing multiple medicines to a patient,
Mm.
all these medicines will be going in one API, right? It will not be multiple APIs. Product list will be
I
having
didn't understand your question. Going to one
uh,
API means?
yeah, there is a header and the detail structure. In the detail, there are product list. The product list behaves as multiple medicines, right? If we are dispensing multiple medicines to a patient, to one
Mm.
single customer, we will be sending all these medicines to the in the product details, right?
You're talking specific to the API based on the XML or based on the
Yeah, based on
documentation?
the XML, based on the XML.
Can you name the XML file?
XML file is SGTIN product verification request.
Verification.
Request and okay, response. There is a product verification API.
Yeah, there
So
is a product verification. I open this XML file. Now, can you ask your question again?
yeah, so my question is before dispensing the API, uh, should we verify the product with you or how is that?
Okay,
Oh,
the purpose of product verification is
mm,
user can verify any product which is available within their GLN or within your location. Okay, so
okay,
inside the product ID tag, you can pass the value of the product either in SGTIN, and if you want to know the individual item status or an SSCC, you can pass that value and then you can trigger the request. So if the item is available in your location, then the product verification will give you the result saying what is the product, whether it is active or an inactive, and the lot number, the manufacturing date, expiry date, various other stuff. The response XML or the sample XML, the example of the sample product
uh-huh.
verification is captured in the documentation. So
Okay, so
this product verification will help you to know the actual status of the product.
actual status of the product.
Yeah, because at your location, there could be few products in received status, and there could be few products which unpacked, and few would have been already dispensed. So to know
Okay.
the actual status on the product in Tatmin, product verification API will help you.
So is this mandatory to call this product verification API or?
It is not mandatory. If you want to know the status,
Uh-huh.
then you can check it.
Understood. So as
Okay.
per what we have to develop, we need to concentrate only on this dispensing API and the receiving API, right?
Yes, based on your business requirement, since you are in a pharmacy, receiving and
Mm.
dispensation. If there is any
Oh,
business requirement for you to transfer the goods from pharmacy A to pharmacy B, then you need to focus on shipping also.
okay, okay,
Okay, so for
sure.
that you can explore Tatmeen.ae website. Over there
Okay,
you have the technical guides which will explain you about the Tatmeen process and their functionality. So that will help you to know, that will give you better understanding on how you can frame up your business requirement.
okay, sure. And
Okay,
if we have some doubts, we can email to this onboarding.tatmeen.ae website.
right,
Sorry, email.
right.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Thank you so much for the clear explanation, Mr.
No problem, Nidhi. Thank you. If any user is having any questions, please raise your hand, and from there we can take up your questions, please. Yes, Nadia, can unmute yourself and ask your question?
Yes, Mr. Bharadwaj, I have one more question. Does one item have multiple GTIN number? One
One,
medicine.
you mean in the XML file? Are you saying?
No. As a product, does the product have multiple GTIN number, the same item?
Your question is not clear for me.
The
Multiple
thing
GTN.
is,
See, each GTN can be called as a product.
So if does one medicine have multiple GTIN number or one single GTIN number? Each item, each item has a GTIN number, right?
Yeah, not each item, each product. Say Panadol is a product, and that will have a GTIN number. And say assume
Okay.
something is there is some other syrup, and that syrup will have a GTIN number.
Okay, so this syrup will have only one single GTIN number, right?
That you need to check with the brand sync because it is the configuration is happening in the brand sync team from
Uh-huh.
brand sync. Tatmeen at gs1ae.org.
Okay, okay,
Okay, the product configuration is handled by them, and the data is being sent from brand sync to Tatmeen.
okay, okay. So I'll check
Okay,
this.
yeah,
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Bharadwaj.
no worries. So we'll keep this call open for the next 5 minutes until 11:30 because I don't see any hands raised by the participants. If there are no questions from the participants, then we can wrap up this call at 11:30. Since there are no questions from the participants, we will wrap up this call for this week. See you again next week, please. Thank you so much.